Don't buy this drill. Nothing good comes from Harbor Freight. These are some things I've been told. I got this as a gift for Christmas. Quite frankly, I'm impressed. Here are the 5 reasons I like this drill. Let's dive in.
Number 1, it's cordless with a lithium battery as opposed to the old nickel cad. It holds a good long charge. It easily docks and also has a battery charge indicator. It also easily seats in the drill, and the indicator still works when it's on the drill. Number 2, the forward and reverse buttons are really easy to get to. Number 3, the comfort grip for chuck adjustment so you can easily swap out bits. Number 4, the screwdriver clutch adjustment so you can easily adjust the torque that you're putting on when driving screws. Really comes in handy when you're trying to keep from stripping out wood screws. Also notice the selector for the drill, screwdriver, or hammer drill. Number 5, it is truly variable speed. And as an added bonus, it has a flashlight. Yes, there's an LED light on it. I've used this drill quite a bit on a number of the projects that we've done already, and I recommend it for the do-it-yourselfer or weekend warrior. For more tips and product reviews, click the video on your screen now.